Fatima Jinnah, the woman who stood beside a nation. Fatima Jinnah, the younger sister of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, was not only his strongest supporter, but also a guiding light for the women of the subcontinent. Born in 1893, she grew up at a time when women rarely stepped into public life. Yet, she chose courage over silence. Trained as a dentist, Fatima Jinnah became one of the first Muslim women in South Asia to enter the medical profession. But her real journey began when she dedicated her entire life to supporting her brother in his mission to create Pakistan. She stood beside him through thick and thin, managing his household, supporting him in political struggles, and encouraging him during moments of weakness. During the Pakistan movement, when thousands of Muslim women were uncertain of their role, Fatima Jinnah became a beacon of inspiration. She addressed gatherings, motivated women to join the struggle, and proved that women's voices were equally powerful in the fight for freedom. After independence, she continued to stand tall. In 1965, she fearlessly contested the presidential election against a military dictator, Ayub Khan. Even though the election was heavily rigged, her campaign showed the world the strength of democracy and the unshakable spirit of a woman leader. Fatima Jinnah's life was a symbol of resilience, loyalty, and courage. She taught us that true leadership is not just about holding power, but about standing firm for justice, freedom, and truth. A moral inspiration. Fatima Jinnah proved that one woman's courage can inspire an entire nation. She showed that women are not just supporters of history, they are makers of history.